Today at the Government Center, we are vaccinating individuals who received their first dose of Pfizer 3 weeks ago. And so this is what we call a second dose clinic. We will have about 3,500 people come through during the course of the day today, and they will receive their vaccination. And at the end of the day today, they will have completed the series. Fairfax County is currently providing first doses of Pfizer's vaccine. Previously, we were providing Moderna, and we have since converted to Pfizer. So everyone receiving their vaccine, either first or second from this point forward, from the Fairfax County Health Department receives Pfizer. The first step towards getting your vaccine is registering on our website, and in doing so, you'll indicate which eligibility group and which eligibility criteria you meet. You'll provide some basic demographic information, and then you'll complete a brief health screening, which is required by the CDC. Once we have vaccine that is available and we have reached that point on our wait list, we will send you an email invitation and you will be able to select an appointment time and an appointment location that works best for you. Once you've confirmed your appointment, on the day that you show up, you'll wait outside and you'll wait for a text message. We do this to maintain social distancing, so we send a text when we have space inside for you to join the line. Once you receive your text, you'll be greeted by one of the folks in our red vests. They will check you in, make sure that all of the information in our system is correct, and then you'll be led to our vaccination area where we have, on a day like today, we have 72 vaccinators all performing vaccines at the same time. They're going to verify the information, and then they're going to administer the vaccine and document it in our electronic medical record, and they will provide you with a card that will give you a reminder of when you are due for your second dose. So the card that you receive will have some basic information, name, date of birth, as well as the lot number and the manufacturer of the vaccine you received the first time, and the location. So it will say FCHD for Fairfax County Health Department. On the back of the card is a reminder window. And so what that is, it's not an appointment. It is just a reminder that on the particular day, 3 weeks from the date you received Pfizer, you will be due to come back. And so what the health department will do is reach out to you by email the same way we scheduled your first dose, and we will provide you with a link. You can click on that link, and then you select from an available second dose clinic, wherever those may be the week that you are due. Getting your second dose of COVID-19 vaccine is extremely exciting. And while you may be protected from increased severity of illness or death by being vaccinated yourself, it's still important that we all maintain the same kind of protective behaviors that we've been following throughout the pandemic. So everyone needs to maintain social distance, wash their hands, wear a mask, stay 6 feet away, keep your social bubble as tight as possible. All of those things are keys, along with vaccine, to ending the pandemic.